What's going on, guys? So I'm ready for the airport. Like I said, my friend Lance, he's gonna be driving down. But yeah, I'm here, and I'm literally waiting on him to come pick me up and drop me off at the airport and start heading down towards Florida. But this is all the stuff that's going in his truck. You see what I'm saying? Even bringing my clippers, I ain't playing. You know, all the stuff. And I'm only taking my book bag to the airport. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? All right, guys, it's time to go. Lance is here. Move, Milo. Get back. Get. What's up, brother, man? Dude, for the vlog. This boy's heavy as hell. I don't even know that.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm just double checking. Okay, it look like that's everything. So let's go, guys, to the airport. Close this door. Close this other one. Now let's go. Yeah? Let's go, guys. ETW, baby, let's get it. Flight got delayed. Alright, guys, just leaving Lansdom, about to pull into here. Hopefully the TSA line is not long so I can go straight in. So let's see. I already have my boarding pass and all of that, so I should be good. A whole bunch of people in here already. Definitely excited. My girlfriend already landed and she's with my sister, so let's go through TSA. I need to figure out where the heck is my my gate. So gate D10. So it's down this way. So I have a little bit of time to kill. I have to tie my freaking shoelace. So here it is, my gate, D10. Sorry. Is it caffeine in that? So something with caffeine. Mocha? Okay, whatever that is. I'll get that. The whatever you say. As long as it got caffeine in it, I'll take that.
Mocha?
Yeah, and then let me get a plain bagel, and that's it.
Do you want cream cheese or no?
Yeah. We got delayed like 2 times, bro. It's crazy. Hello.
Hi. Here you go.
Thank
You can come to the front, you don't have to wait.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, thanks. Headed towards baggage claim because that's the exit and it's right up there. My sister in her new car. And my girlfriend in that mug. Look at them. Look at them. You have too much stuff in that thing, man. Wait a fun. You supposed to be sleeping, man. Supposed to be sleeping. Man, yo. Vlog. What you gotta say to the vlog, man? What you have to say to the vlog? Always saying that to the vlog, man. Now let's go see what this Airbnb on. You feel me? ¿Cuál es tu problema, señorita? You brought 2 bags?
No, yeah, it's not.
Only one bag.
That's what I got something. Yo, check out this house, bro. These people are lit. They got the Tesla charging right there. Let's see what's going on. It's a doll house. How do we, oh, open it from this side. Oh yeah. Yo, this is definitely, oh, this is lit. Holy crap. Yo, this is nice, guys. This is nice as hell. We got a little bridge. Look at that. They got a swing over here. We got the lake in the back. This is real nice. I just seen a lizard right there, but it's all good. Look at that. They even got a part like right there. We can go down and stay on the water. Yo, this is dope. I thought that was the bedroom, but that's like an eating area. Yo, this is nice. Oh, it's over here. They gotta be over. Look at her on the swing. What the hell are you doing? What the heck was that? Probably a mango drop, man. Let's go out here, guys. Listen. Holy crap. It feels kinda. Oh, snap. Yeah, that junk is definitely floating. You on the water out here. And they got a swing right there. Yo, this is dope. This is dope, guys. Look at that. This is dope as heck, man. They got a long surfboard. You come out here and chill. They need to probably wipe that shit off a little bit right there. But this is nice, man. Look at that. Nice water.
Nice water, pussy club.
You know what I mean, man? Nice water because it's there at the back. Look at that. Oh, look. They made a shower right here. Does it? I wonder if it work.
That's where the shower at.
You think it work? Let's see. See if this junk work. Oh, okay, no water ain't coming.
Oh, that's shower.
Well, that's a nice concept, though. Yeah, that's something over here. You can come and chill.
Oh, here it's private. Wait, you got some stuff that's private now. We can't go.
Just chill. No, we supposed to be able to have the whole back. So I'm like, this stuff is dope. Look at this.
So my so when I stay away, that's just for tonight.
Yeah, just for the night, we're gonna be over here.
I'll come and check it.
Nice, what it call?
Yeah?
I think like 11 or 12. Is it, man? This is dope, man. Check this out, guys. Water. This is dope. Oh, look at that. They got koi fish. These are some huge koi fish, too. Holy crap. That's insane. That's crazy. That's crazy. This place is amazing, man. Nice little stairs. So that's pretty much the vlog for the second day. We're gonna go get something to eat, but I don't want the vlog to be too long. And they got a mango tree right here like it's Jamaica, dog. Estás bien?
Look, they have a book.
They have a book that's saying what?
Like really good stories there.
Stories about what? Stories about what?
Like they're saying, I
Okay, I
think
got
you
it,
could
Alexa.
create a magic place or stuff like that.
Thank you for create the magic stuff and place like that.
Well, you like it?
Yeah,
Oh, she don't
I
like
really
it.
like it.
You okay?
It's nice. Excellent.
¿Cuál es tu problema? Mi amor. What do you want to say to
Ay,
YouTube?
amor, amor, amor.
Okay, you gonna say bye to the vlog? We're gonna go eat.
Yeah. Bye.
Adios. How do you say bye in Spanish?
Adios. You already say it.
Bueno. Alright, vlog, we signing off. Next vlog tomorrow. Peace out. Yeah, Airbnb, baby. Oh, these people are dope. Look at that. They got a whole letter. Hold on, you wrote this?
Of course.
Hold on. This hat? You the one that got this hat too?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? What am I supposed to do with a hat like this? Oh, snap. It got Jamaica flag on it. Y'all see this? This is crazy. Did you paint this?
No.
So how did you get this? You paid somebody to paint that? ¿Cuál es tu problema, señorita? It's not about to fit me. Oh, it does fit. That's crazy. Look at this vlog. That stuff fits. Look at that. Hey. You got me out here looking like a granddaddy.